everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your phone to a Windows 11 laptop to make file transfers and navigations much easier. First, just open Start menu and then just on the right side, you will see the phone link panel like this. And then next, just choose your phone type. It could be Android or iPhone. Just choose your phone type like this. Like this. If this is your first time, using phone link, Windows will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account or email, and then after logging in, a QR code will appear on the screen like this. And then next on your phone, just make sure you have the link to Windows app installed. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Play Store first. And then next, just open the app and then just tap sign in using the QR code on your PC, and then just scan it. And then just enter the code that shows on your PC. And then Microsoft will be send a code on your email. Just enter the code that sent on your email. And then next, just tap on continue on your PC. Like this. When it's connected, your phone and Windows will sync automatically like this. Now you can control your phone from your laptop and then receive messages or calls and even transfer files easily. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.